how to use an automatic threader take 1. So move the needle to the highest position there, lower the foot, pull down on this lever till this thing flings itself around the needle. Now with your left thumb take the thread around this little hook here and then bring it back against the needle, and now release both. Woohoo! And there you have your little thread to pull through the needle, and then you just take it back through there. Would you like to see that again? I'm sure you would. Here we go. So start again. Pull that down all the way. Left thumb. Oops. Left thumb. Now there we go. Pull it back against the needle. And there is your little loop. And this is well worth practicing, especially if, like me, you have rubbish eyesight.